In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever opened a PDF and thought the text looked too cramped or too spread out, adjusting the line spacing, sometimes called leading, can make a big difference in readability and presentation. Let's walk through it clearly and calmly so you can get consistent, professional-looking text in just a few clicks. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and loading the PDF you want to edit. Once your file is open, look toward the top of the window and switch into editing mode by selecting Edit. Depending on your version, this may appear as Edit or Edit PDF in the toolbar. This tells Acrobat you want to work directly with text on the page rather than just view or comment on it. Next, click on the specific text you want to adjust. Acrobat will highlight a text block or place a cursor within it, showing that the content is editable. If nothing highlights, the text may be part of an image or a scanned page, in which case line spacing controls won't apply to that element. For selectable text, you can click once to target a whole block or drag to select a specific portion if you only want to change part of it. With the text selected, look for the formatting controls that appear, usually in a panel or toolbar on the right or at the top. Find the line spacing control. This may be labeled line spacing, leading, or presented as a drop-down icon with stacked lines and arrows. Open that drop-down to reveal your spacing choices. Now click on one of the sample spacing options in the drop-down to apply it instantly. You'll typically see presets like single, 1.15, 1.5, or double spacing. Choose the one that best matches your layout goals. Acrobat updates the page in real time so you can preview how each option affects the flow of text, page breaks, and alignment. If your paragraph looks too tight, bump it up a notch. If it stretches the page too much, step it back. Aim for consistency across similar sections so headings, body text, and captions feel balanced. A few helpful tips as you adjust. Line spacing is applied to the selected text block, so repeat the process for other blocks you want to match. Different fonts and sizes may need slightly different spacing to look right. After changing spacing, scan nearby pages for wrap or overflow issues, especially around images, columns, or footers. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, enter editing mode, select your text, open the line spacing dropdown, and click the sample spacing that fits best. With these steps, your PDFs will be cleaner, easier to read, and more polished.